Hey folks, it's Russ. Today is Sunday, February 19th, 2023. I hope you're having a great day. I wanted to shoot a video about this book called The Consistency Chain for Network Marketing. It's by George Campbell and Jim Packard. I got the book right here. All right, I've read it. I'm going to reread it because the only thing keeping you from succeeding in network marketing, or the only difference between you and those who are succeeding at network marketing, is consistency. All right, that's the only thing. Now, some might have bigger lists, some might have a bigger following, some might have more experience and have been doing it longer, but the bottom line is that the biggest thing keeping people from succeeding online in the network marketing industry is consistency. All right? Because a lot of people join this industry, they think they're going to get rich overnight, they get excited for the first week or two, and they're gung-ho, and they're doing income-producing activities every day, and then when things aren't going their way, or they don't get a recruit as fast as they thought they would, or somebody tells them no, then all of a sudden their work ethic, it starts to decline. All right, I'll do a post tomorrow, and then that leads to next week and next month, and then before you know it, people are dropping out. All right, and look, let me show you this. This is in my back office. This is a refund from somebody who was on my third or fourth level. All right, they requested a refund. So people are already dropping out of this company. And of course there's some other programs out now that people are all, excited about. But listen, if you want to build your LiveGood business to $10,000 plus a month, or whatever your goal is, maybe it's only to reach 500 a month or 1,000. If you want to do that, stay consistent and focus on LiveGood. All right? Believe me, I've been doing this for 16 years. And I am the biggest victim of the shiny object syndrome. All right? I mean, I've jumped from program to program to program. And mostly what I was doing was affiliate stuff. But, I was in a few network marketing companies. And I had the same thing. I would get really excited about it in the beginning. I'd stay with it for a month or two or three. Earn a little bit of money. But then I'd see the next program come out or the next opportunity. And I was like, jump ship. Go join that program. All right. So the reason why I haven't been super successful in network marketing as far as earning millions of dollars is because I haven't been consistent with any program. Okay. Until now. Because I've fully committed to LiveGood from the day I joined, December 21st, 2022, until the day LiveGood no longer exists or until I'm not here. All right. I am fully 100% committed to this company. I see the potential that it has. I see people in this company that have never made $1 online before who are crushing it. All right. And to be honest, I've never had success in the network marketing world as quickly as I have with LiveGood. Okay. Folks, there's no need to go look for any other company. This is the company. This is the fastest growing network marketing company on the planet. All right. And it's going to be the next Amazon of network marketing. Hands down. All right, we have over 50,000 members who have joined this company in the last 8 weeks. And we're going to have over 1 million by the end of this year. So this is the place to be in 2023 and all the years moving forward. Okay, there's no need to go and get a refund on a $9.95 a month membership program that has an unlimited earning potential. All right, now the earnings disclaimer is in the video description. Can't guarantee you're going to make any money with this. It's all, based on your work ethic and if you take it serious and treat it like the business that it is. But my goodness, I can't believe some of the people I see who have been consistent every single day since they joined this company, and now they're already moving over to something else. I used to do that. I don't want to do that. I'm not going to do that anymore. And I highly encourage everybody who has shiny object syndrome to focus on LiveGood. If you're a part of this already, just focus on this company. It's okay if it takes you a month or 2 months to get your first sign up. Have a long-term vision with this. All right, think about where you're going to be in a year's time, in 2 years' time, in 3 years' time. All right, if your matrix doesn't fill right away or you don't get spillover right away, don't worry about it. It's okay. It's okay. Give it time. Stay consistent. Do income-producing activities every single day. Make sure you're sharing this opportunity with a minimum of 2 people every day. Facebook has over 1 billion users on it. You're never going to run out of leads. ever. Okay, so I'm just going to get back to this book here because I wanted to read you the foreword in it. All right, this is by Richard Fenton and Andrea Waltz. Fact: important tasks that get done consistently, even if they aren't done perfectly, can lead to massive success. That is the power of consistency. Conversely, lack of consistency is probably one of the single biggest reasons for the failure of millions of human endeavors. Not the endeavor itself, just the lack of consistency. Because the most perfectly planned tasks, without the power of effective execution, lead to stagnation and even failure. But we already know this, right? Right? So the question remains, if we know consistency matters, why do we still behave inconsistently? The reason is while we know consistency matters on a logical basis, our emotions often get in the way. The authors of this book know this all too well. We got to know George Campbell and Jim Packard over a decade ago in connection to a book we had written called Go for No. If you've been in network marketing for a while, you may be familiar with it. I have the book sitting on my desk. It's going to be the next one I read. Jim Packard told us how he incorporated the Go for No concept into his daily recruiting system he used for his network marketing business. When we caught back up with Jim years later, he was still using the system. Around the same time, we interviewed George Campbell as part of a documentary video we were shooting. We had a nice lunch, gave George a copy of Go for No, and never heard from him again. Don't get us wrong, George and Jim are both wildly successful people by any standard, and each has developed the ability to be consistent in different areas. Which leads us back to our book. The primary idea behind Go for No is that the most certain way for you to increase success in life is to intentionally increase your failure. Put another way, the more no's you're willing to hear, the more yeses you will encounter along the way. On the surface, it sounds counterintuitive, but trust us, it works. It's a numbers game that never fails if played long enough. As simple as the Go for No concept may be, there's a problem. The problem is that no one wants to fail. So getting people to fail more often, more consistently can be a challenge no matter how logical. That's why we were so thrilled when we read the manuscript for the consistency chain. The consistency chain is much more than just that. It's the missing link for many people, pun intended, when it comes to achieving higher levels of performance in almost any area of life, be it losing weight, improving relationships, and in particular for building a successful network marketing business. With the consistency chain, you'll be learning from two of the best. We highly encourage you to not only read this book, but to also consume it with an open mind. Because just like our book, the consistency chain is deceptively simple. Don't let the simplicity fool you. There's greater power in consistency than you can ever imagine. Like I said, it might take you a week, it might take you a month, it might take you 5 months before you get your first sign up, or before you rank up to bronze, or you rank up to silver, or whatever it is. That's okay. Okay? The people that are successful in the network marketing industry stay consistent. They don't give up. All right? So don't get down on yourself. Stay positive. Stay consistent. Do a couple income producing activities each day. Make sure you're sharing the Live Good opportunity with 2 people minimum each day. And eventually you're going to see success. Okay? So, again, get this book. Read it. It's going to help you. You can find the book on Amazon. I don't have a link down there. I'm not looking to make money off the sale of a book. I'm just, letting you know what's helping me become a better network marketer. Because like I said, I've had the shiny object syndrome for a long time. And I finally am in a place where I can focus on this full time, building Live Good. And that's what I'm going to do. So if you have any questions about any of this, please leave them down in the comment section below. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you want to learn more about Live Good and their business opportunity that we have, you can watch our 6-minute video by clicking on the link in the description box. This video explains everything in more detail. You can reserve your position by entering your first and last name and a valid email address and clicking reserve my position now. And again, this is the fastest growing network marketing company in the world. It's global. It's open to every country. And the best is yet to come with this company. So I hope you found value in this video. If you did, please consider giving me a thumbs up and subscribing to my channel if you haven't already. I greatly appreciate it. It helps me out a lot. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. And until then, stay well, be safe, and peace be with you.